Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to open a YouTube channel in mobile. So first up, just need to open your YouTube on your Chrome browser. Go to m.youtube.com. Now if you are using Google Chrome, as you can see on your screen, just tap on the three dots right there at the top right hand corner and go to the desktop site and check the box right here. So it will looks like your desktop. As you can see on your screen, you can pin to zoom in to basically see the buttons on your mobile. So just need to zoom in. We're gonna go to the profile icon right here at the top right corner and then click or tap on the sign in button. So basically, if you have already an account, you just need to enter here your email address or your phone number. But if you don't have already an account, just need to tap on this create account button to create your new Google account. Now, once you signed in, you'll find this same interface on your mobile phone. As you can see, we have some buttons on the left side. You can actually go to the menu buttons right here. But we're going to tap on the profile icon right there at the top right hand corner. So we're going to pin to zoom in. So right here, just tap on the profile icon right there at the top right hand corner and you'll find these options. So if your Google account is already associated with a YouTube channel, you will find a view your channel option right there instead of create a channel. But if you want to create a new channel, click on the settings. And here on this account, you just need to tap on this add or manage your channels. So basically you will now go to this page. Now tap on the create a channel button right here. And then you just need to basically create your channel name right from here. So for example, I want to create my own channel. So I want to name this as how to guide. And then you just need to check the box right here and click on this create button. And finally, we have just created a new YouTube channel. So that's how you basically create new YouTube channel on your mobile. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.